Okay, working in my Mercedes-Benz C230 W203 2005 with the 1.8 engine. That should apply to newer models as well, like I think the C180. Anyways, the car was leaking a coolant on the floor. You might see a little bit dark in there. And it was always when the engine was cold. When it was hot, no problems. Okay, this car is in very good condition, 150,000 miles. No problems. This is the first problem with the car. So in the back of the engine, very far away where that hose, when that open hose is, there's a piece of plastic with one screw. Okay, and the part that goes inside the engine has an O-ring, and that breaks and stays inside the engine and then starts leaking. Here's another piece that goes in that area that was not leaking, but I saw online that they leak. So I said, hey, I'm gonna change it. Well, same thing happened inside that hole. The O-ring and the plastic was broken. And back in the day, I was doing maintenance. I changed the serpentine belt, and I found that the thermostat housing, because I changed the thermostat, it was broken. So I changed that piece brand new, all original. So here I have the parts. This is the part that goes in there with the two hoses. And here you can see broken. See, the pieces are over here. One of those are this one. And then the other piece that goes in the back of the engine goes just like this, right, with one screw, broken. See, and this is the one that was leaking and was dripping on the transmission. You see, very old, and one of those is the piece that is missing. Okay, so I bought the original Mercedes-Benz before knowing it was broken. See, but it's all perfect. See, this is the original Mercedes-Benz. That's the part number if you want to find it. Okay, good, very easy to replace. No, it's not that bad. And this is the part in the back. This one is not original, but it's Febby Bilstein. So I don't think I will have a problem. And same thing, this got the O-rings, everything. I will install that always with the electric grease, so it goes boom, pow. Here's the box for the small part. I think that's the part number. Febby Bilstein 271 200 1352. Fairly easy. It's not that bad. Not that bad. Remember, one screw here. The size, I have to find it to tell you, but I don't know where it is. So, but it's Torx. It's a Torx socket. One there. One there. Remove the clamp from the hose in the back, the hose in the front, and then boom, this piece comes apart. Very easy. This is like a 20-minute piece. The one in the back is a little bit harder because you have to remove the clamp that goes into the hose. That will be this one. So I just put a flat screwdriver here, and then I open this up, and then it has a pin in the middle that you can remove it and put it in the new one. So this will be in this piece here, and that's it basically. And remember to put the coolant that should be in the car. I think I got it around here, but it's somewhere here in the garage. Okay, easy job. This car has the original ignition coils. I was looking, never been replaced. 150,000 miles. Look, all factory. So that's an easy fix. Thank you and bye-bye.